So these are the 5 21st century skills that I have chosen that I think fit best. So number 1, collaboration and teamwork. If you're in this area of field, you cannot be single-minded. You must be able to work with others, be able to collaborate to come to a conclusion. Problem solving. Going off of number 1, in this field, you need to be good at problem solving. If you hit a bump on the road, think of ways you can fix that and work through it. Number 3, creativity and imagination. I have some experience with working with these kinds of kids and students, and you need to be creative and have a good imagination for the students to learn. If your lesson is boring, then you will lose their attention. Number 4, leadership. You need to be able to step up and be a leader when one is needed. You can't be in this field if you aren't a leader. And last but not least, flexibility and adaptability. Like number 3, you need to be base your lessons on what these kids want and what's going to make them learn best. And this can change every year. You must be able to be flexible with your students and adapt to what they work best with, because that's the main goal in the end.